So over here you can see that I have a generated report, and if you want to print out this report, you can go around onto the view option right here when you're on the report right here, and then click on print preview so that you know how this will be printed. So over here you can select out page size of how you want it to be printed. So right now it's on A4. You can select A5 and you will see how it'll be printed out in certain pages right here. So if I were to select A5, you can see that the data is cut. So what you can do is you can arrange out the margin to narrow maybe right here, or wide according to how you like it. Click on landscape to see all of the data over here as well. So you can see that there are 2 pages that will be printed. So you can go around and see each of the pages just like this as well. So alternatively, you can go around over here from print preview, simply close this out. And if you were to arrange this out, let's say for example, if I were to change make any changes over here. So let's say for example, if I were to change the formatting over here, let's just go around, turn it black right here. And if I were to go around into design, onto view and to print preview, then you can see that the changes reflect in the print preview area as well. So I'm just going to go around over here, and you can see that this is what I have. So I'm just going to select A4 right here, press OK, and this is what you have. So let me just change this into portrait mode, and this is what you have again, and this is how it will be printed. Similarly, you can set up the column on how many columns you want to be printed and page and so forth from over here as well. So you can explore the option. You can even zoom in to see in different levels on how it would look when this is all printed. You can even export this as Excel or PDF right here. So now when you're ready to print, you can click on print right here, and then you can choose your printer. But for the preview purposes, I'm just going to select Microsoft Print to PDF, so it saves a PDF right here. So you can go around, print this out, and in my desktop, I'm just going to save this as test right here. So once it is printed, what happens is that it'll be printed out in this format, as you can see right here. So you can see that there are 2 pages right here, because that is how everything was set up. But that is how you can go around and set your printer settings so that you can print out the reports the way you want, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.